Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design centrifugal blade impeller like this in SolidWorks. Okay, you can see like this. So first select in here, click new and click part, click OK. For background we can change in plain white to clear background like this, white. And for unit select in millimeter gram second. So after that just we start from top plane. So right click on top plane and click sketch. At first select a circle and draw it like this. Then set the dimension for circle. In here as a dimension of diameter to circle in 200 millimeter, for example like this. And draw again circle in here in the center and set dimension the circle as set in 15 millimeter for diameter. Then in hub in here we can draw center rectangle from this point to this. For width as set in 2 millimeter, and distance to center of the part distance as set in 9 millimeter like this. It is like a keyway or hub, and just trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line like this. After that, just click feature and click extrude boss or base like this. For direction is blind, and for depth or thickness I set in 4 millimeter like this, and just click OK. So after that, right click on this face and click sketch and we just to convert entities, click convert entities. For entities to convert, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Just click OK. After that, make circle again, draw like this, and set for dimension the circle in here as set in 25 millimeter, for example. Okay, after that, click feature and click extrude boss. Okay, in here for depth or thickness in here I set in 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter. Direction is blind, and so select blind in here and click OK. Like this. It's simple. So after that, right click again on this face and click sketch. In here, we start draw corner rectangle. So select corner rectangle, draw this to this like that. Ensure this midpoint and this point. Click Ctrl and hold and click make vertical like that, and set for width in here. For example, I set in 4 millimeter. For in here we just to make a blade, but in here the blade I set for thickness in 4 millimeter. So to that, click convert entities again, and entities to convert, click this edge and this edge. Just click OK, and after that we can do trim entities, this line, this line, this line, and trim entities again, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Enter again for this point to this point, click back vertical again, like that. So after that, just click feature in here and just click extrude boss or base again. For depth or thickness in here is same, 60 millimeter like this half. Then, but in here we can we must to uncheck this in merge result, because we want to make this blade to flex and twist and bend after we make boss extrude. So ensure you uncheck this in merge result like this. For the bottom is 60 millimeter, then just click OK. And you can see it is simple like that. So after that, select in here in top and click insert and click feature. Ensure you select in flex here, the menu in flex. For flex input, click this boss axis 3, this face, just automatically the define is boss axis 3. For bending in here, for a triad in X, Y, and Z in here. For rotational region, I set in 0, all 0 like this, for example. And for Z angle in here, Z rotation angle I set in 270 degree, and in direction X rotation angle I set same like Z rotation angle in 270 degree like this. Then for the angle in here, we can change. For example, in here I set in 45 millimeter like this. Then after that, just click twisting, 45 degree like bending like this. We can see the result after we click OK like this preview. Okay, after that just click OK and done like this. We just use feature flex to bending and twisting this post axis 3 like this. So after we make a part like this or sketch like this, okay, we just click in the top in here in the feature and click circular pattern. Ensure to select in bodies. For bodies, select this or flex 1. You can select this face or you can select flex 1. For direction, you can click in this edge. Ensure is equal spacing, and in here, for example, for number of instance, I set in 7. After that, just click OK and done like this. So after we make a circular pattern like this, we just click on front plane, right click on front plane and click sketch. We can draw line from this midpoint in this point, draw line like this, draw line like this, and to this point. Like this. Ensure this point and this center of property point, click make vertical. We can do set dimension. For example, in here I set in 40 millimeter for distance, this line. And for angle in here I set in 150 degree like this. And for this line and this edge I set for angle in 7 degree like this. So after that, just make a line in here, draw from this point, this, draw, make this and to this point like that. And after that, just click feature and click revolve cut in here. For line, we can clear selection. In here, we can choose or click this line and direction is blend, and for angle in 360 degree, and just click OK and done like this symbol. Sorry, in here I have sorry, we can to click again for sketch 1 in here and click sketch. In here we can apply for fillet, click this point and this point. In here I set for fillet in for example in radius 50 millimeter. Just click OK and exit sketch, and this is the result like this. Okay, this is simple. You can edit in here in sketch 4 if you want to change a direction in here for radius fillet, and for angle you can set in here. Just click exit sketch. We can to change appearances, draw all feature and click appearances. For example, I set in metal, and for in here I set in polished platinum like this. Okay, I think that's enough. I apologize if there any mistake of our this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching until the end video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment this channel. I hope you like this video and see you in next tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.